All right, we're going to do some measuring today with standard units, okay? So one, I'm going to use this ruler, and on one side is inches, and then on the other side it's centimeters, okay? So then I have a measuring tape, and this one actually is 25 feet long. And then this ruler, if I'm going by inches, it's only 1 foot long, 12 inches. So the goal of this little video is I have 4 things that I'm going to measure, and I want you to tell me, do you think I should measure it by using my ruler, or should I use my measuring tape? Okay, so if I have this pencil, what do you think I should measure with? A ruler or a measuring tape? So if you said ruler, you are correct. So let me show you. Here, it might be hard because it's shiny. Okay? And there's the 0. So I'm going to make sure that I put it here. Turn that on, please.
Okay.
And then it goes to about 4 and a little bit over. So if you are measuring in inches, it would be about 4 inches, and I would use the ruler. I can use the measuring tape, but I really don't need to. It's extra long. So for shorter things, I will use the ruler. Okay. Now,
Stop.
Grant decided to join me. Now I have this really, really big box. Okay, this is a super long box.
Mason's barn door.
Okay, so if I wanted to measure this, okay, it would be possible to measure with this, but it would take a long time, and I'd have to put it on one end and put my finger here and move it over. So the most efficient way would be to start at one end and go all the way down, Grant. You want to go down? Why don't you go down?
Okay.
And tell me how many inches. So he's going to go all the way down and see how many inches.
About 82.
About 82 inches.
So
okay?
like 82 and a fourth.
Okay, so 82 inches, and I would use my measuring tape instead of my ruler. Okay? Now, I have a fan behind me. If you can see the fan. Okay? And I'm going to measure the height of the fan. The height is how tall it is. So from the floor to the top. So, wait a minute. I was going to ask him, which one do you think you should use? Do you think you should use the ruler or the measuring tape? So I think Grant gave us the answer. And we'll use the measuring tape. So we'll go from the bottom, go to the top, and where he's going to read the inches, which are the ones on that are spaced out and are bigger. So how many inches?
45.
About 45 inches.
Or like
okay?
45.
It would be hard to do this and then go here. You could get a
That's about
estimate,
like 4.
but yeah. All right, and then our last thing that we are going to measure today is a phone. So here's my broken phone.
Wait, how about not that one? How
Grant
about
wants to use
my phone?
his hand-me-down phone. So
That's not a hand-me-down.
here's this.
Well, yeah, it kind of is.
Yes, I can measure it with this measuring tape, but the tool that I would probably use is going to be our ruler. And if you see on the inches, I start at the 0, make sure it's lined up, and go down. And actually it's in between the 5 and the 6. So between the 5 and the 6, and it's about 5.5 inches. But in first grade, we're not learning halves for measuring. I would just go to the nearest number. It looks closer to 5, so it'd be 5 inches.
And before we close down, can we measure this?
Okay, we're going to measure one more thing. Okay, so we can do it either way here. This book that Grant is working on for his schooling at home, we bought this. And so we're going to do inches, and we're going to start at the 0, which is on this side, and we go all the way here, it is almost 1 foot long. So that would be 12 inches. There are 12 inches in 1 foot. You will need to know that in 2nd grade. 12 inches in a foot. Okay?
Sure, it's
All right.
good
So
to
I
learn.
miss you all, and it's Happy Friday. See you later.